Oh guys, I'm so scared. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Xanthe Naomi if you're new. And on my channel I do beauty related videos, wigs, natural hair. I'm wearing a wig right now if you can't tell. I also do lifestyle videos like vlogs, days in the life, college days in the life, stuff like that. So if you're interested in those kind of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be attempting to do eyebrow tinting. So I've always wanted to do get my eyebrows tinted, but to spend $300 and plus to do it, I think is kind of ridiculous if you ask me. So I never went and got it. But the other day, I think it came up on my suggestions, like video suggestions, that I should watch this video, and it was somebody tinting their eyebrows at home, and it only cost them $8. So I was like, why not? Like, let's do it. I went ahead and I purchased the kit or whatever I needed to do it, but then I realized like my eyebrows are kind of full. They aren't thick, but they are like full enough. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but I don't really need this, but I was like, still, I want to experiment, like, why not? So what I'm going to be using to tint my eyebrows is the Just For Men mustache and beard. So it says it eliminates gray for a thicker, fuller look. That's what I'm going for a fuller look. Can you talk, girl? 3 easy steps: mix, brush, wash. Works on even the coarsest facial hair. That's nice to know. So this is how the package looks. I just got mine from Amazon. I will link it down below. And I got it in the color dark brown. It says it won't wash out, lasts until gray grows back. Multiple application, facial hair color kit. Important, follow safety warnings on the side panel. Okay. So just a disclaimer, I am not an esthetician, or I don't even know who does these kind of things. I think an esthetician, but I'm not qualified to do this. I just want to try it and see how it works out. So first off, I'm just gonna take some makeup wipes and clean my eyebrows, because I did put some product, some like Cetaphil and other products on my face after I washed it. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are nice and clean, I'm gonna go ahead and read the instructions. Go ahead and open this. We have the color base, color developer, the brush like they said, and it comes with like a little kit tray, some gloves, and I guess the instructions. It says squeeze color base into tray. So this is the color base. Because I'm just doing my eyebrows, I don't think I need that much, so I'm literally just gonna do a tiny bit. That's all I'm gonna be using for the color base, guys. These are eyebrows, we don't need a lot. Next, it says squeeze developer into tray. So the color developer. And that's like a side to side comparison of how much I used for both. It says mix with the brush handle. I guess until it's like evenly distributed, I'm guessing. And then it says apply to dry facial hair. So for best results, apply to dry unwashed facial hair. Use brush to quickly apply mix to facial hair. Do not massage product in with your hands. Start application where hair is grayest. Brush up and down gentle to cover all facial hair evenly. Prepare more product as needed. Then it says wait 5 minutes, rinse and wash. So obviously it's my eyebrows, so I'm not going to be using this thick brush. And you guys know I'm not, well, if you're not new to my channel, you guys know that I am not a makeup girl. But I want to get into it, so I went ahead and I went on Amazon. Listen, me and Amazon are best friends, okay? We see each other at least 3 times a day. Went on Amazon, and I think I will be doing an Amazon haul, like a must-haves haul really soon, so stay tuned for that. That's besides the point. I went on Amazon and I got brushes because I honestly I own 2 brushes. One is for like my eyebrow and then one is for like foundation, but I felt like, look, every girl needs brushes, okay? So I went ahead and I just grabbed some brushes. I'll link these down below as well. Listen, in most videos, every time I talk about a product or something, I'll link it down below. 16 pieces. But then it also comes with like stuff like this. I don't know what this is. But it also comes with like these. So I think it was really useful. I'm just gonna find like the smallest brush possible. I'm always playing a dangerous game when it comes to things that are permanent. I don't know why. But I have my mirror in front of me because I don't want to be making mistakes. This is my eyebrows. This is every day, and I don't think it washes out like for a few days at least. So I don't want to, you know, be looking go out there looking crazy. So I'm just gonna take this end of the brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and just comb out my brows. I'm really scared. Like, this is terrifying. I'm gonna go ahead and do this before I chicken out. So I'm just gonna take in a really small amount. So I'm just gonna do kind of like streaks at the front because I don't like the front of my eyebrows looking too full. I like it like thinner and then more thicker. I don't know how to explain that, guys, but you guys know what I mean. See, because so I'm just gonna lift my eyebrow a bit. Oh guys, I'm so scared. Oh god, okay, you can do this, you can do this. Lift it. Oh, let's do a few strokes. Guys, I don't even know if this is working. I'm gonna take some more. Like, I don't see anything like happening, so I don't know if it's working. I see it darkening. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, so I'm gonna stop applying because I don't want to apply too much. So these are how they're looking right now. I didn't even use all of it. Person can still use this for both of their eyebrows, I think. So now I'm just gonna patiently wait. Ah! Why do they look like that? Let me apply just a tiny bit more to make sure I get the right outline. So I don't know if you guys can notice, but they're getting darker. Like, this is so scary. While we're waiting, I just wanted to remind you guys that I will be doing a giveaway as soon as we hit 100 subscribers. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a new video. I mean, why not? I bring you fun videos like this, where I experiment on myself and do stupid shit that I'm not supposed to be doing. But hopefully this turns out good. And if it does, I'll like add this to my maintenance routine. Like, you guys know how I do my hair and how I do my lashes. I'll definitely be doing my eyebrows if this turns out good. If it doesn't, then I don't know. I guess I'll just throw these stuff out. I don't know. Like, Guys, I think it's been long enough. I think the box at 5 minutes. I guess I waited kind of to like 10. On the box it says rinse. I don't feel like getting up, so I'm just gonna take another makeup wipe and remove it. Oh god, guys, oh god. Okay, that is thick. Wow. These bad boys are like, I don't know if it's coming off on camera, but yeah. Nah, bro, I'm gonna have to call my sister. I'm not.
Oh, your lashes?
No.
Wait, yeah, let me see. You want eyebrows?
Yes. No, I didn't know. Guys, I think I like them. And I don't think you guys can see like what I'm seeing, but I really think I like them. Like, yeah, guys, I'm definitely adding this to my maintenance routine because wow, I don't think I'll have to fill in my eyebrows like anymore with having to do this. The only thing I would do is add some concealer, and I'm just making sure that I get all the product off. Just add some concealer to see the final result. I did not expect this to go the way that it's going, okay? I didn't think I would like it, but y'all, like wow. So last week I was in Atlanta and I did a whole vlog on that, so if you want to watch that, I'll put it in the card somewhere so you can go ahead and watch that after this video. But when I was in Atlanta, I went and I bought some makeup. I already said that I'm not a big makeup girl, but I'm trying to learn. And this is just some concealer, so from MAC. I did buy this in person, but if I can find it online, I'll link it down below as well. So I'm just gonna take, I've never used this, by the way. This is my first, not it being like a pump, what? Yeah, I don't know how to use these, so I'm just taking a little bit and I'm gonna put it below and above my eyebrows. So this is how my brows are looking. Guys, I absolutely love this, okay? So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a new video. I know, I already said that, but why not state it again, just in case you forgot. So now you can't possibly forget. I'll try and insert a video before this clip so you guys can see how they actually look. I don't think the camera is really capturing it right now, but I really like them. Like, I don't have to fill them in. This is a fire, like wow, and only $8, guys. These beauticians and estheticians be trying to charge y'all $300, okay? I'll be sure to link this down below so you guys can, for cheap, $8, okay? But yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching the video. If you liked how they came out, make sure to like the video and leave a comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. Like, let's interact. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next